So I'm going to have a look at OneDrive now, so we can choose it here, or again, we can go to the waffle and choose it there. Whichever way you do it, it's going to launch. I've just opened it in this tab here to save a bit of time. So this is my own personal OneDrive space. You can see my name up in the top corner there, and these are the files that I currently have stored on the cloud. Anything I have here, I can access wherever I have access to the internet, basically. So what I'm going to do just now is just show you new, and that I can create a new folder. And I'm going to call this folder something highly original, like test. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that to put some examples for this little video. So I'm going to go into test, and once I'm in test, I can either choose to upload a video from my computer, or I can choose did I say upload a video? Upload a file, upload or create a document. If I click on the upload link, I get to choose to upload a file or a folder. Let's say we go for a file, and it will then take me to a kind of standard looking dialog box where I can look for stuff to upload. Simpler way to do it, if you don't want to do that, it does say down here drag files here to upload. So if I open my folder here, then I can look for something that I want to share. Let's say I want to share this document here, not share it, upload this document here. Then I just drag it, and you can see it's now changed to copy. So when I let go, it's going to start uploading. There we are, uploading one item. So it's uploading that document, and there it is.